Hello everybody, Namaste, Salam and Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back, and this time we are headed to the keyword filtering app navigation video. I'm going to assume you have zero code credentials already. Please go and launch the keyword filtering app like so. Keyword filtering app, press launch and it will open. Okay. And let's have a look at that. When it opens, it will look like this. So you have 4 of these output tabs and 5 user input controls. Okay, so that's what we are seeing here. Go to the overview and example dataset, download the sample input file, Nokia Lumia reviews. Okay. It will save automatically to your downloads folder and we can load it up from there. This is just an example file. You can use you can use any. Actually, this is a .txt, though it will take .csv also. So please click on this. When you click on this, it will download an input. It will download to your. It will download like this to your downloads folder. So I'm just going to put that one here. There you go. Okay. Please go to the data summary tab and you can see what the uploaded document looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay. So there are 2 fields here. So this is it. We have uploaded it and we went to the data summary tab. The data summary tab shows us these things. It shows us the size of the uploaded corpus. So there it is, 120 rows, which means 120 reviews of Nokia Lumia. Okay, 120 documents and 2 columns. So these are the 2 columns. This column is made automatically if it is not present, doc ID. Okay. It gives you a sentence level summary and a token level summary. Okay, so it says that out of these 120 reviews, 120 documents, average number of sentences per review is about 7.5. Average number of tokens or words per review is about 165. Okay. So this is the first review. I have had Samsung phones where the screens are nice, the plastic bodies come apart all the time, and so on. Okay. So this is it. Okay. So we have seen this also. Now let's go to the next tab, which is sentence tokenized tab. So if you go here, the same corpus is tokenized into sentences. Remember, there were 120 documents, okay? So this is sentence 1 of document 1, sentence 2 of document 1, sentence 3 of document 1, and so on. Yeah, I've had Samsung phones, screens are nice, and so on. Yeah. If you continue ahead, you can see that, this is sentence 1 of document 2, sentence 2, and so on, all the way for all 120 documents. Okay, you can download this sentence tokenized corpus if you want and use it as a corpus in its own right later on anywhere. All right, so there it is. Okay, the context for keyword filtering. Okay, so in this case, Nokia Lumia, suppose we only want to keep those parts of the corpus that reference, let's say, the camera and the display of the Nokia phone. Okay, I don't want any other discussions on other attributes, just discussions on these 2 attributes I want to capture and keep. So one way to do that is you can build a list of keywords that users, reviewers are likely to use when they are referencing these attributes. Okay, I mean, you can have tens of keywords if you want. Okay, hundreds possibly. So what might be some? So we could say that if people are talking about camera, they can talk about camera. Maybe they'll talk about screen and display. Yeah, they can talk about this. They can talk about photo, picture quality, something of that sort. So, we can put this one here, etc. I mean, you can go on and on. Okay, you can go on and so on. Now, once you have typed it here, you just separate them by a comma. Do not put a space because sometimes it may take the space as part of the keyword. Yeah. All right. Now let's go to the filtered corpus. Let's go to the last token, the last tab here, and this is what you will see. These are the keywords that we have entered. I mean, you can have a really long list, by the way. Okay. Uh, the about 3/4 of the documents had at least one keyword match sentence. Okay. And about a quarter of them had none. Okay. So this, for instance, this table here, it collects only those sentences in a review that match at least one of these keywords. Okay. So for instance, here the screen is what is matched. Okay. The second sentence also, screen was what was matched. Sentence number 5, camera was matched, photo was matched. Okay. Feature is an interesting one. Maybe we can put feature also here, perhaps. I don't know. Yeah. Touch screen is becoming easier each time, and so on. Okay. So requesting an unlock code, the phone displays a message. So basically, this was the one that it caught, and so on. Yeah. Okay, suppose I have a very long list of keywords. What should I do? So you can go here. I mean, you can just click on this, download word list for Nokia. Yeah. And it will download something, open that file. So instead of this, let's write something else. Let's say we also want to know what people said about battery life, charge, charger, charge, something like that. So let's put it here. Okay. Press and enter. Remember, each keyword on one line, and then press enter. Save this file. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload these additional keywords. Okay. It's a keyword list. Now if you go here and see the ones that we had put here, battery, life, and charge, they have also come. And if you go down and see, basically, we have all of these which have been caught now. Okay. And NA would mean that in review number 10, there was no sentence that had any match with any of these keywords. I mean, that's why it's showing as NA. Now you can click on this and download this filtered corpus. Remember, the filtered corpus is narrowed down to only keyword matches, only keyword match sentences. So if you click on this, it will come here. As you can see, it has the same name as the original file, and it has this underscore filtered .csv suffix. Okay. If you open this file, well, you will see. So this is it. This is document 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way till 120, and all the way till 120. 120 is an NA, it looks like. And these are the filtered sentences. Okay. So that's basically what we got. So let me quickly now summarize what we have seen. So we saw that there are two ways to supply the keywords. You can enter the keywords directly into the keyword field, or list them in a notepad and upload into the upload keywords, voila, this one. So this one, we have seen both of these ways. The final filtered part shows all the keywords being matched, and you saw this. The percentage document retains, how many documents had a match and how many didn't, and so on. We saw that, that table which was there, it shows only keyword match sentences. So I'm talking about this table here, only keyword match sentences. We saw that NA would mean that no sentence in a particular document had any keyword match, okay, and so on. We also saw that the filtered corpus is downloadable and usable as a corpus in its own right. Let me quickly summarize the app. Imagine a large corpus in which we are interested only in those sentences that talk about a handful of things. Okay. In our case, we chose things like camera, picture quality, screen display, and so on. Screen size, something like that. Yeah. So we write a list of keywords corresponding to the topic. We can always expand, edit, iterate this keyword list. And we use the keyword filtering app to search through the documents and extract only those sentences which have a keyword match. Okay? So basically, we are parsing the entire corpus into sentences, matching the keyword list with it, and extracting the matched sentences into a separate corpus. Okay? The separate corpus will have the same document structure as the original corpus, and it is a corpus in its own right. You can download it and reuse it in other text apps.